How many irregular verbs do you know? 67 verbs in English, 3 forms each. Let's play! Same all 3. These verbs never change. Put, put, put. I put my book on the shelf. I put my book there yesterday. I have put my book there already. Cut, cut, cut. I cut paper with scissors. I cut the paper this morning. I have cut the paper already. Let. They let me play outside. They let me play yesterday. They have let me play again. Set. I set the table for dinner. I set the table last night. I have set the table already. Hit. I hit the ball very hard. I hit the ball yesterday. I have hit the ball twice. Shut. I shut the door quietly. I shut the door last night. I have shut the door already. Cost. These toys cost $10. They cost $10 last year. They have cost me a lot. Hurt. I hurt my knee when I fall. I hurt my knee yesterday. I have hurt my knee before. Read. I read a book every night. I read a book last night. I have read that book twice. The ought group. They all end the same way. Buy, bought. I buy an apple every day. I bought an apple yesterday. I have bought an apple already. Think, thought. I think about it every day. I thought about it last night. I have thought about it before. Bring, brought. I bring cookies to the party. I brought cookies yesterday. I have brought cookies again. Catch, caught. I catch the ball every time. I caught the ball yesterday. I have caught it 10 times. Teach, taught. I teach my teddy bears. I taught them yesterday. I have taught them for months. The T group. The past ends in T. Keep, kept. I keep my teddy bear close. I kept my bear close last night. I have kept my bear for years. Sleep, slept. I sleep 8 hours a night. I slept 8 hours last night. I have slept well all week. Feel, felt. I feel the soft blanket. I felt the blanket yesterday. I have felt this blanket before. Leave, left. I leave home at 7. I left home at 7 today. I have left home early all week. Lose, lost. I often lose my keys. I lost my keys yesterday. I have lost my keys again. Build, built. I build towers with blocks. I built a tall tower today. I have built 10 towers. Send, sent, sent. I sent her a letter every month. I sent her a letter last week. I have sent her 3 letters. Spend, spent, spent. I spend $10 a day. I spent $10 yesterday. I have spent all my money. Mean, meant, meant. These words mean cat. They meant cat in my old book. They have always meant cat. Past equals participle. Learn one form, use it twice. Make, made, made. I make a paper plane every day. I made a paper plane today. I have made 10 paper planes. Have, had, had. I have 5 balloons. I had 5 balloons yesterday. I have had them all day. Say, said, said. I say hello every morning. I said hello to her yesterday. I have said hello to everyone. Tell, told, told. I tell my friend a story. I told him a story last night. I have told that story before. Find, found, found. I always find my keys in my bag. I found my keys in my bag. I have found my keys already. Hear, heard, heard. I hear the bell every morning. I heard the bell just now. I have heard that bell before. Hold, held, held. I hold the big watermelon. I held the watermelon yesterday. I have held it for 10 minutes. Sit, sat, sat. I sit on this chair every day. I sat here yesterday. I have sat here all morning. Stand, stood, stood. I stand very still. I stood very still for an hour. I have stood here for ages. Meet, met, met. I meet my friend on Friday. I met my friend last Friday. I have met him many times. Win, won, won. They win every game. They won the game last night. They have won 3 games. Pay, paid, paid. I pay with a coin. I paid with a coin yesterday. I have paid for it already. Sell, sold, sold. They sell toys here. They sold all the toys today. They have sold everything. Understand, understood, understood. I understand you now. I understood you yesterday. I have never understood this rule. Vowel changes only. Just the middle sound changes. Sing, sang, sung. I sing every morning. I sang a song last night. I have sung that song before. Drink, drank, drunk. I drink juice every morning. I drank juice this morning. I have drunk 3 glasses today. Swim, swam, swum. I swim every Saturday. I swam in the pool yesterday. I have swum here many times. Begin, began, begun. We begin the race now. We began the race at 9. We have begun the race already. Come, came, come. I come here every week. I came here last week. I have come here many times. Run, ran, run. I run in the park every day. I ran in the park yesterday. I have run 5 miles today. Become, became, become. Caterpillars become butterflies. It became a butterfly last week. It has become a butterfly. All 3 different. Listen for the N at the end. Go, went, gone. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I have gone there twice. Be, was or were, been. I want to be happy. I was happy yesterday. I have been happy all week. Do, did, done. I do the cleaning every day. I did the cleaning this morning. I have done the cleaning already. See, saw, seen. I see a bird every morning. I saw a bird yesterday. I have seen that bird before. Get, got, gotten. I get a parcel every week. I got a parcel this morning. I have gotten 2 parcels today. Give, gave, given. I give my friend a gift. I gave him a gift yesterday. I have given him many gifts. Take, took, taken. I take an apple every day. I took an apple this morning. I have taken 2 apples today. Know, knew, known. I know the answer. I knew the answer yesterday. I have known her for 10 years. Eat, ate, eaten. I eat pizza every Friday. I ate pizza yesterday. I have eaten pizza already. Write, wrote, written. I write a letter every week. I wrote a letter yesterday. I have written 3 letters. Speak, spoke, spoken. I speak to everyone here. I spoke to everyone yesterday. I have spoken to everyone already. Show, showed, shown. I show my drawing to my friend. I showed it to him yesterday. I have shown it to everyone. Choose, chose, chosen. I choose the green lollipop. I chose the green one yesterday. I have chosen my favorite one. Break, broke, broken. I break a pencil every week. I broke my pencil today. I have broken 2 pencils. Drive, drove, driven. I drive my car every day. I drove my car yesterday. I have driven it for years. Ride, rode, ridden. I ride my bike to school. I rode my bike yesterday. I have ridden this bike for years. Fly, flew, flown. I fly my kite every summer. I flew my kite yesterday. I have flown it many times. Fall, fell, fallen. I fall when I run too fast. I fell in the park yesterday. I have fallen twice today. Grow, grew, grown. Plants grow fast in summer. My plants grew fast last year. They have grown very tall. Throw, threw, thrown. I throw the ball very far. I threw the ball yesterday. I have thrown it 10 times. Wear, wore, worn. I wear a coat in winter. I wore a coat yesterday. I have worn this coat for years. Wake, woke, woken. I wake up at 6. I woke up at 6 today. I have woken up early all week. Forget, forgot, forgotten. I often forget my keys. I forgot my keys yesterday. I have forgotten my keys again. Great job! Want more? Part 2 has 51 more irregular verbs. Subscribe for more and visit esldesk.com for games, quizzes and stories. See you next time!